Hey folks, Good Guy Glenn, the Viking Realtor here, and today we're at Wild Birds Unlimited on Route 17 in Paramus. I've always wanted to check this place out, and today I'm with JP.
It's bird time.
It's bird time, and we're gonna buy birdhouses. Let's go check it out.
My wife bought me this thing for...
Right out the gate, very impressive how much stuff is in here. All these fancy birdhouses, bird feeders up against this back wall. And over here we have books about different birds. And then more bird feeders with cages around them so squirrels can't get at your bird feed.
I know nothing about this.
The downstairs room is filled with quaint little birdhouses, wind chimes, and bird baths. I could definitely spend a fortune on wind chimes. I love wind chimes.
Is there a chance that I get this
Cute
in, like,
garden gnomes.
Big chance?
No. This year, maybe nobody will use it.
You have different types of feeders. They have a little bit of everything, depending on like what your style is here. They have plenty of books, plenty of bird feed. They have these fancy gourd things. More, just so much stuff here.
You can do a house at a different.
And mushrooms. Magic mushrooms. Today, me and Jay are here to buy more birdhouses and more bird feeders so we can make his yard into basically a bird oasis. The ultimate bird sanctuary, if you will. Maybe Jay's gonna buy wind chimes.
No, it's driving me crazy, actually.
Jay sure bought a whole lot of stuff. $800 worth. Are you excited?
I feel pretty good about it.
Nice.
Looking forward to setting this up. Did I tell you my vision?
What's your vision?
All right, here's what's going on. So my next door neighbor hates me, and she's like all into birds. And so basically, I want to create a bird oasis in my yard, where my yard is like the chic downtown brand new club that all the birds want to get into, and then her yard becomes like the dive bar next door. That like the birds who aren't dressed appropriately, like they have to go into her house and like hang out over there. Does that make sense?
Totally.
That's my vision.
Nice.
So this is a good start today.
Yeah. It's got all this swag. From Wild Birds Unlimited. Well, that was quite the adventure. I'd like to thank Scott from Wild Birds Unlimited on Route 17 in Paramus. We got everything we need to make the perfect bird sanctuary in Jay's backyard. So we'll probably be doing a follow-up video on that. Well, I hope you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the little bell so when I drop another video, you get a notification. Once again, this is Good Guy Glenn. Thanks for watching.